Hello and welcome to English Wallah. I have been getting a lot of questions that, sir, how to improve our spoken English. Friends, when it comes to spoken English is all about practice. जब spoken English की बात आती है तो spoken English क्या है? सिर्फ practice की बात है. Without practice, of course, you cannot improve your spoken English. So what I would like to suggest is that don't waste your time asking only, or don't procrastinate that I would start it from tomorrow, from day after tomorrow. Just start it from today itself. आज से ही शुरू कर दें. Doesn't matter you are speaking wrong or right. Even a toddler starts to walk or learns to walk, he falls many times. But it doesn't mean that his mother or her mother stops to walk or to try. So just try it from today. Start it from today. Be confident. Confidence matters a lot, if when it comes to spoken English. If you're not confident, of course, you cannot improve your spoken English. Doesn't matter wrong or right. English is what? It's all about communicating. English is what? Is a communication. What I'm trying to say, if I'm able to convey it to you, that's communication, that's English. Doesn't matter how good or how fluent I am or how fluently I'm speaking. If I'm not able to convey my message to you, it means I'm not a good speaker. I'm not a good communicator. So this way, English is not about speaking wrong or right. Even you see a lot of people who have been speaking very fluently, they have been making mistakes. So don't worry of mistakes. Just you start it from today. Don't procrastinate. टालमटोल नहीं करना है. Just you have to start it from today. If you don't find anyone around you, just talk to yourself. You know what? Beginning is the half done. Don't wait for anyone. If you don't find anyone at your home or out of your home, like your friend or your brother, sister, nobody is there interested to talk to you, then just talk to yourself. Don't wait for others. Imagine anything. Take any situation and just speak that in English. There, if you find any problem, you're not able to make any sentence, you're not getting any word, go and Google it, go and ask anyone. You have been watching my channel, you have been watching my video, drop that word or that question in my comment box. I must be replying you, I must be just telling you, and I must be coming with a new video, and there I would be telling or making or explaining that one. Take any simple word and delve into that. Delve into means tahqiqat karna, uske तह तक जाना. We have very simple word like switch. We use in everyday spoken English, in everyday life. Switch on the bulb, switch on the light, turn on the light. But that same switch can be used on different level. Like many of the people speak, or like suppose somebody is working in any company and he's planning to change the company. He can say that I want to switch the job. I want to switch the job. Matlab, I want to change the job. So the same word switch is being used at different places at different level. So it's all about using, it's all about going deeper into that. And one day you'll be thanking me that, no sir, you were right. It was the best way of improving spoken English. See, I have my own experience also. Like we also did the same way. We didn't mind it of speaking wrong or right. Once we started, we continued. We never stopped. So this is the main way, this is the way only to improve spoken English. This is the way to improve spoken. Doesn't matter English or Arabic or French or Japanese. You have to start. And of course, without working on that, without knowing vocabulary, without learning sentences, grammar, of course, it is not as simple as I am saying, or it's not as simple as people are saying. So for that, along with that, you have to improve your vocabulary also. You have to improve your grammar also. For that, keep watching videos, keep learning, keep reading the books, like whatever the source is, doesn't matter, the video, book or anything. Just try to observe the things. Try to grasp the things from wherever you are getting it. So these things you continue learning word meanings, learning vocabulary, improving grammar, making sentences. One thing more I would like to mention here, and that is formation of sentences. Keep formatting sentences, keep making sentences. Take any word or find anywhere, you listen any word from anyone, just make sentences. At least make 2 or 3 sentences from that word. Any word you take, like I just gave you the example of switch. Take a word like catch. What happens that catch is a very common word, like I'm going to catch my train. He didn't catch the ball. You catch a thief. So catch is a very common word, but with that catch, there are some other words also, like catch a cold. There is another word with that, catch a cold. Catch a cold means जुकाम होना. Of course, everybody catches a cold in this winter season. I have caught a cold. I have caught a cold. मुझे जुकाम हो गया है. You can say what others also that he has caught a cold. Don't go outside without jacket. You can catch a cold. So this way you can use this word catch a cold. Another word is catch fire. Catch fire, आग लगना. The building caught fire. Building में आग लग गई. Yesterday a bus caught fire and in that 2 persons died, 5 persons were injured. So this way you can use the word catch.